Welcome to the gated community of Buckeye Terrace in Winter Haven, Florida. This home was built in 2019 and is only 2 years old. The home includes 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, inside laundry, living room, kitchen, and dining area. The kitchen features recessed lighting, Whirlpool appliances, wood cabinets, pantry, and breakfast bar. This home includes laminate and ceramic tile flooring. No carpet. Exterior features irrigation, garage keyless entry, garage epoxy finish, indoor pest control, security cameras, screened lanai, and PVC fenced backyard. Only being 2 years new makes the roof 2019, air conditioner 2019, water heater 2019, home painted inside and outside 2019. Home is close to Highway 27, Legoland, with easy access to Orlando. All sizes approximate. Call for your showing today.